Eliza, where are you? Hi, I'm Maggie.
I'm Eliza.
And welcome to
Popo Crafts.
This video is dedicated to our favorite actors, Randy and Dennis Quaid. The Quaid brothers, best in the game.
Best Quaid brothers ever. Am I right, Maggie?
Yeah, no other Quaid brothers can compare. Any other shout outs today, Eliza?
Well, I think I'd like to shout out maybe our biggest fan, Phineas Nutting.
Thanks for being such a great supporter, Finn.
And go follow his YouTube channel.
And so today we have 5 slime pranks you can do at home.
And they're pretty spooky.
Yes, and all you need to buy is a package of SLIMES at Hannaford.
SLIMES plural, remember?
Yes, there's multiple. So we have for you guys some fun little pranks with these things, and we'll cut to that right now. When your mom is building her sandwich, what you can do is, when she's distracted, make sure to sneak up very quietly and replace the lettuce with slime. And when she eats it, she'll be surprised.
Next, when you're in your basement, put down a piece of black slime.
Oh no!
And make your parent think it's an oil spill.
Oh my god, there's an oil spill! Next, use some slime as a mole, and when your friends see it, they'll flip. Hey, Eliza! Whoa!
Next, take a piece of pink slime and put it in your belly button. That will totally freak out your friends when they see it.
Oh my god, you have stomach growth! Next, dress up like a ghost, and with some slime, when your friend comes around the corner, surprise them and throw it at them like it's ectoplasm. What the flip?
Hey guys! So, thank you so much for watching our 5 spooky pranks. I hope they'll come in handy a lot during the, Halloween season and for more.
I know, and I hope you Quaid brothers and Phineas Nutting really enjoyed them. And now we actually have a bonus clip. We were doing an experiment with one piece of gum and our pink slime, and we found out that they explode together. What?
Watch this.
Take your test tube full of gum, and in the other hand, take your test tube full of pink slime. Now, slowly and gradually pour the pink slime until it touches the gum.
Eliza, stop doing that. Come back. We need to finish.
Hey guys!
Hi. So I'm glad you enjoyed our experiment, and we want you to
Like,
subscribe,
comment,
and just love us in general because we need emotional support. Bye!